Changing your phone number on Interactive Brokers is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Interactive Brokers website or app and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section. This is typically found in the main menu or under your account profile. Step 3. Select Contact Information. In the account settings, find the option for Contact Information or Personal Information. Click on this to view your current contact details. Step 4. Update your phone number. Look for the field that displays your current phone number. Enter your new phone number in the designated space and ensure it is accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your phone number, make sure to click the Save or Update button to confirm your changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email regarding the update. Once you have completed these steps, your phone number will be successfully changed on Interactive Brokers. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to their customer support for assistance.